Imagine having a toolkit that allows you to dissect and comprehend any business without the need for an MBA. Welcome back, productivity enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a game-changing concept that can revolutionize the way you view and understand business. Yes, you heard that right. In this animated book summary, we'll explore Josh Kaufman's The Personal MBA and unveil the 5-part framework that forms the backbone of every successful business. Stick with us till the end of the video to find out all the ways you can enhance your business endeavors. And of course, like and subscribe if you love money. Josh Kaufman's journey into the world of business began during his college years when he landed a job as an assistant brand manager at Procter & Gamble. Despite lacking an MBA, he found himself surrounded by colleagues who held prestigious degrees from renowned universities. The prospect of acquiring such a degree and plunging into a mountain of debt did not appeal to Josh. This led him to embark on a quest to uncover alternative paths for mastering the essentials of business. His search ignited a passion for learning that would eventually culminate in the creation of the Personal MBA, a book that distills to us the core principles of business into an accessible and practical guide for aspiring entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts just like you and me. Charlie Munger. Josh came across the remarkable business investor Charlie Munger, renowned as Warren Buffett's business partner and developing Berkshire Hathaway into a colossal $400 billion enterprise. Buffett himself lauds Munger's unparalleled ability to analyze and evaluate deals with unmatched speed and accuracy. What makes Munger's story intriguing is his unconventional path. He lacks a formal business education, holding backgrounds in meteorology and law. Everything he knows about business, he taught himself. Munger credits his success to a unique approach, utilizing a latticework of mental models, fundamental business frameworks to make critical business decisions to outmaneuver competitors. Inspired by Munger's approach, Josh delved into a comprehensive study of business literature, aiming to identify the mental models that will give him an edge over his MBA-educated peers. His extensive reading revealed a consistent pattern. At the core of every successful business lies a 5-part framework comprising value creation, marketing, sales, value delivery, and finance. Josh emphasizes the indispensability of each component, asserting that a venture lacking any one of these parts is fundamentally flawed. Growing a business requires skills, and Skillshare is the best place to learn new skills, as this video is brought to you by Skillshare, the coolest place to learn online. Want to try it out? Just click on the link in the description for a free trial. Next, we're going to talk about value creation. Businesses must offer something people are willing to pay for. Understanding what drives consumer decisions is crucial. Factors such as convenience and high fidelity, or emotional appeal and social status, play a significant role. For instance, while products like Instacart thrive on convenience, Apple's high-fidelity products command a premium due to their design and emotional appeal. But even if you have the right offers ready at your disposal, do you think that you can tackle the marketing side of the deal? Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video, because we've got all the answers to all of your queries. Next, we're going to talk about marketing. Effective marketing captures and retains customers' attention. Seth Godin's concept of the purple cow exemplifies this. Businesses need to stand out and be remarkable to attract customers. Josh's exploration of these fundamental business elements aims to equip individuals with the tools to analyze businesses and make informed decisions, whether as employees or aspiring entrepreneurs. Now that we got the spotlight on our product and what we have to offer, shouldn't we be ready to get our sales up and going? Because that's exactly what we're about to deal with next. So with that being said, let's dive into our next topic, which is of course sales. Once attention is captured, businesses must convert it into sales. A compelling value proposition, like Apple's promise of 1,000 songs in your pocket with the iPod, can drive sales. Josh cautions against assuming market demand, citing the story of the Segway, a well-designed product that failed due to a lack of market interest. He advised a lean approach, creating an early version of the product, gauging customer response, and improving based on feedback. One crucial question we must consider is how much do our customers believe in and trust us? Imagine a scenario. A stranger approaches you at a bus stop and offers you $20 in exchange for $10. Instinctively, you would likely hesitate or decline because it seems too good to be true. The lack of belief and trust in the stranger prevents you from making the trade. Similarly, customers are reluctant to part with their money unless they have faith in a business's ability to fulfill its promises. A potent method to quickly establish belief and trust is through social proof. For instance, if your friend, a credible source, vouched for the stranger at a bus stop, you might consider the deal. In the business world, securing the recommendation of a key influencer, such as Oprah, or accumulating numerous 5-star reviews on platforms like Amazon can significantly boost credibility. In cases where social proof is lacking, businesses can still build trust by consistently delivering on their promises over time. The longer a business operates reliably, the more likely it is to gain trust of its audience. This trust in turn translates into increased sales, as customers are more inclined to transact with businesses they trust. Now, we understand, getting the sales part of the business done sure is a task in of itself, but even then, things don't end there. There still remains a very crucial aspect to better your business endeavor, and that aspect is none other than mastering the art of delivery. The fourth pillar of every successful business is value delivery, which hinges on the question, are we surpassing our customers' expectations? An exemplary case from a decade ago illustrates this principle. Consider Zappos.com, an online shoe retailer known for its exceptional service. 10 years ago, if you ordered shoes from Zappos, you would have been pleasantly surprised to receive them the very next day. What made this experience remarkable was that Zappos didn't advertise this fast free shipping. They understood that the unexpected delight of receiving your order so promptly would create more value in the customer's mind than any explicit promise of expedited shipping. It's crucial for customer expectations to be sufficiently high to motivate a purchase. However, once a purchase is made, the product or service must exceed these expectations for the customer to be satisfied, return for future purchases, and recommend the business to others. One effective way to surpass expectations is by establishing highly efficient systems that deliver high-quality products quickly and reliably, as demonstrated by Zappos with their one-day shipping. Another approach is through exceptional customer service. A legendary tale from Zappos involves a customer service representative who noticed that a customer had ordered a pair of shoes that were out of stock. Instead of simply informing the customer, the rep went above and beyond by personally purchasing the shoes from a rival store and delivering them to the customer. This act of going the extra mile epitomizes exceptional service and highlights Zappos' commitment to exceeding customer expectations. The final component of every successful business is finance. And here, the fundamental question is, are we generating more revenue than we're spending? If the answer is no, adjustments must be made. This could involve reducing spending in one of the previously discussed areas or enhancing the perceived value of the products or services offered. Josh Kaufman simplifies the concept, emphasizing that business finance isn't overly complex. Despite the existence of sophisticated models and jargon at its core, it boils down to using numbers to assess whether the business is operating as intended. Being adept at business isn't about having all the answers. It's about posing the right questions and employing the right mental frameworks. With the 5-part framework discussed, value creation, marketing, sales, value delivery, and finance, one can effectively analyze any business. This framework, as elucidated in the Personal MBA, suggests that formal business education isn't always necessary to grasp essential business principles. A critical aspect of financial success in business is ensuring that the revenue generated exceeds the costs incurred. If this balance is not achieved, the business will struggle to sustain itself in the long run. This requires a keen understanding of financial aspects of the business, including revenue streams, expenses, profit margins, and cash flow. To improve financial performance, businesses can explore various strategies. One approach is to reduce costs by optimizing operations, negotiating better deals with suppliers, or eliminating non-essential expenses. Another strategy is to increase revenue by enhancing the value proposition of products or services, expanding into new markets, or implementing effective marketing campaigns. Ultimately, the goal is to achieve financial sustainability and profitability. By applying the 5-part framework and asking the right questions, businesses can gain valuable insight into their operations and make informed decisions to drive financial success. Imagine your business is a well-oiled machine, and this 5-part framework is like the ultimate toolkit. It covers everything from figuring out what your customers really want, value creation, to getting the word out there about your awesome products, marketing, sealing the deal, sales, making sure you deliver top-notch quality, value delivery, and keeping your finances in check. Finance. By following this framework, you're basically arming yourself with the best strategies to tackle any challenges that come your way. It's like having a superpower that helps you spot and fix problems before they even become problems, which means more success and growth for your business. Be sure to clear further hindrances in your business endeavors with our upcoming videos, and we guarantee you information that will never get anything in the way of you having a successful business of your own. But before we conclude, allow us to ask you, can you pay the psychological price of making money? That's definitely something to ponder on, but you won't be wondering for too long as we've already have a video on it. Watch The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, animated book summary right here.